Taking an old home like the Kuppersmith house built in 1926 and bringing it up to date for today's modern family, but keeping the rich character of that era is a real challenge. I want to choose the right materials and products that'll make this home both energy efficient and family friendly. And those qualities are important whether you're remodeling an older home or building from scratch. Now, I've done a lot of research to choose products that stand above the rest. Now, one of the most important elements is the cabinetry. And while the kitchen certainly is the heart of the home, there are so many other places to consider for some top-notch cabinetry. Here's a great example. The experts at Marilat Cabinets designed an amazing drop zone right next to the kitchen entry, perfect for keeping up with everything from car keys to the monthly bills. Now, not to be outdone, the front entry has its own set of cabinets that include shelving for books and knickknacks that go all the way to the ceiling, more cubbies for storage, and a coat rack built right in for convenience. Here's another place for convenience. Instead of just shelving and hanging rods, we decided to put some more cabinetry in each of the walk-in closets. Since her closet is obviously much bigger than his, we've added a little variety as well. But it's not just convenience that matters. We also included a touch of elegance with these corner cabinets in the dining room that'll be perfect to showcase some fine china. To really set it apart, we painted the interior a shade of green to complement the rest of the colors in this room.